Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be assembling parts 3-36 A, B, C, D and E, the boiler whistle valve assembly. Let's get assembling. Okay, so this is going to be second attempt at this assembly because for some reason it kept on crashing the other one for some reason. The top clicked on the ball. But let's have advanced assembly MMGS. Close that one down. Actually, let me browse. So we want, actually what we do, view, origins, browse. We want scroll all the way down the bottom. That's all the parts we've done. That's a lot of parts. Oh, actually might be just go in. So we want A, B, C, D and E. Open up. Good, done that one first. Open it would. Okay, that's that ball kept on crashing for some reason. Spring. That one. Oh, one more. That one. Now, one thing I did do, I'll probably edit that in if I remember correctly. If I remember to do it, I had this construction circle here, and I think I did that one as well. So if I remember, I'll add that part in. You hide in origins. Now we want open. Yep. Now we want to go to, let's do that plane for now. We want edit circle. Oop, what happened? What happened there? Circle. There we go. That was 6. So smart dimension. 6. But put that as a construction line. Oh, hold on. Stop. Let me grab that one and put that as construction line. There we go. That's good. That's good. So exit that. Save that. So spring will go, mate, that circle there, thank you, to that circle there, that face there. Oop, it's going to match that circle as well. There we go. So there'll be exit out of that one. Save that. Beautiful. Let's move that over there for a minute. Every time to touch that ball, it crash. I don't know why. So now we want, actually mate the circular there to the circular there. Let me just exit out of that one. Well, not exit, but okay it. Save it. Build and restart. Mate. Now we're going to do this one here. We're going to do 6 mil. See if that works. That face there with that face. Nope. That circle. I recognize that. Let me clear that. That one, that edge, to that edge. That edge. Okay, I won't do it. Okay, fine. Okay, it doesn't like that for some reason. Let's move this over here somewhere, got a bit more room. Move this ball in here. Now, if we have a quick save, rebuild, mate. We do this circle here, and that circle there. Tangent, what does that do? Actually, that's pretty much... Oh, that's actually what I want. Oh, excellent. Okay. That's pretty much what I want. Oh, nice. Save that. Save that. Right, yeah. So now we go back and mate that there to that one there. That's touching. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's worked out good. That's so much issue last time. That's good. So now we want this face. Okay, back here again, crashed again for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that. For some reason when this is assembled together, it doesn't like it. Let's see if we can do this. Right, that face there to that face there. Let's do that circle there to that there. That's good. Let's just move him up. Go there. Gonna save. Rebuild. Yep, that's get a heck of me like that, please. Now let's go to mate. Let's touch that one. To that ball. I think it's gone too far. Oh, no, hold on. Tangent. Perpendicular. Parallel. Hold on. Close that one up. Let's try that again. Save. Yes, rebuild. Let's mate that ball with that surface. Nope, doesn't like it. Okay, I got to put this in manually. For some reason it doesn't want to connect. I know I'm doing something wrong. Bring that down. Bring that down to about there. There we go. So how it works, I'm presuming it's going to be like a switch. It pushes down, which then pushes the ball down, the steam goes through and create a whistle. Okay, something's really screwing this up. Save that. Where's the ball in there? Let me hide that one. Hide that one. There we go. Bring that down. Save. Yes, save all. Rebuild and save. Zoom out. Thank you. We want to go to there. Put that back there. Save. Okay. We seem we got saved that time. I don't know why that's causing so much trouble. some reason something kept on crashing. SolidWorks, I do not know why. I just, main together. So SolidWorks did not like something in there. But that's his 3-part 36A to E assembly, the boiler whistle valve assembly done. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Got any ideas what happened? Let me know in the comments below. Always love hearing from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.